I have created another example, multimodal bot, and this is a very simple example to understand how we can actually leverage the power of multimodals in a single application. Here we have two models, one is Mistral 7B and the other one is Llama 3.2. I'm using Mistral 7B to give me the details based on the user description, a detailed information about user's inputs, whatever area he is asking. I will be getting a detailed description, a huge amount of data from Mistral 7 as a creative model. So then I'll be passing that information to Llama 3.2 to refine it in a better way. I don't need to have like 1,000 words or 100 paragraphs, whatever Mistral 7B is written to me. I just need wholesome context so that I can grasp what is actually there in that 100 paragraphs. I take help of Llama 3.2 and ask it to refine whatever is generated by Mistral 7B as a creative model and do the reasoning and give me the refined output so that I don't need to go through the 100 paragraphs. Instead, I will go through a little bit lesser information but which covers the entire 100 paragraphs content. I am taking help of this LLM util. We have seen this in a previous example Llama bot as well. So LLM util, I am simply passing the Mistral 7B model and Llama 3.2 for reasoning. So I am initializing this during the initialization of multimodal bot. Once after that, I will be starting the chat. So the loop will start to accept the user's input. First thing is it will ask the LLM execute the user input by using a creative LLM. So this is the first step. And the second step, once we get the response from the creative LLM, then we prepare a prompt saying that evaluate and respond with the most relevant information from this description. So we instruct the language model what information we are expecting from this description. So that's how we prepare the prompt and give the creative answer which was written by the Mistral 7. And then we execute the same command which asks LLM with the reasoning input and the reasoning LLM. And here we got the reasoning answer. So let's execute how it actually works in the real time. Multimodal bot. So now Ollama is running. I haven't quit the Ollama from previous session. So Ollama is running. I have Mistral model and some Llama 3.2 model, which is already available. So now we can ask something like describe me about Indian Gate history. So I'll be forwarding it a bit if my system takes too much time. Okay, now we have got the creative answer. Okay, describe me about it. So it's given me like Indian Gate, also known as All India War Memorial, located in New Delhi, and it was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Mistral model gave me the description of what information it has, and reasoning actually simplified this description into a pointer based outcome. It gave me like 4 paragraphs, and when we see here, these are hardly like 6 lines we got as a refined output. So this is what we can actually do with the multimodal. Same thing we can do with a single model also, but in this example, we have seen how we can make use of multiple models in a single application. And later, when I was trying with the agents, then I realized this is the core foundational block to build the agents. When we build agents, that we won't be relying on a single model or a single job. It's like a combination of multiple agents and multiple jobs where one output will be acting as an input to other model. So this is how the models will communicate with each other and they progress on refining the outcome based on the user's input.